what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I've been preserving my hair at night while I have a silk press. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to spray my hair with some oil sheen spray. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Spray. This helps to make my hair easier to detangle and also adds oils to my hair so it feels less dry. So once I apply the oil, I'm able to brush out my hair. So I'm going to separate my hair into sections, and I'm going to section out the front first and create a pin curl. So basically you take your hair and use the ends of your hair and roll them around your finger. Then once you roll it up to the base of your hair, you're going to twist it to its side and pin it in place. Now I do this even if my hair is straight without any curls, or if I have a curly hairstyle like this in this video. This helps because I don't wrap my hair anymore. This puts a lot of unnecessary tension on your scalp and your edges, and in my opinion it just takes longer to do. So I like this a lot better because it's a lot less tension and I don't have to worry about using this intricate process to preserve my hair at night. So now I'm just continuing the same steps on the rest of my head. In areas where the pins won't stay, I just recommend using more sections. So I end up doing 2 to 3 on each side depending how my hair is behaving. Once my entire head is covered in pin curls, I'm going to take a scarf, and I like using these because I put 2 scarves on top of one another. That way the top one is more likely to fall off overnight and the bottom one is more likely to stay in place. So once I put my base scarf on, I put either a larger scarf or a bonnet on top. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a double-sided satin bonnet, and this is from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. As you can see, this is how my hair looks the next day when I take it out. All in all, when I first take my hair out of the pin curls, it's always a tighter curl, and then throughout the day the hair relaxes. So yes, this is the process for how I preserve my silk press at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and check out the description box for my natural hair coaching program and all the links to the products that I used in this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!